Our respected director sir, please command class 8th assembly, which is conductor is Chirag Khari, and these are my teammates.
Okay, what is the theme today?
Deepavali.
Deepavali is the theme. Okay, you all are the students part of it.
Yes.
Okay, you are conducting it, and they have a different role to play. Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. You are sweating also, working hard. Okay, I will be there in the assembly. Thank you so much for the invitation card. And this is a beautiful card which have been drawn by class 8th. And these are the students who are participating in it. Pratigya by Akshay Abhay Nagar. Samachar Kartik Mavi. Suvichar Dhruv Srohi. Bhashan Angrezi Priyanshu Sharma. Bhashan Hindi Rohan Khari. Kavita Hindi Shoaib Khan. Very good. And Pratna Sabha Sanchalak Chirag Khari. It has been beautifully drawn. The Diwali vibe is there. Thank you so much for the invitation. Thank you so much, Buddha.
Attention, standards, attention. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. With great respect to profound regarding respected principal, ma'am, director, sir, Harvard teachers, and my dear schoolmates, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful morning assembly. My name is Chirag. From class 8, I am going to host today's morning assembly. Today we are celebrating Deepavali. As well are aware, we start every event and occasion with Gayatri Mantra. Please join your hand and close your eyes. Gayatri Mantra start. Om Bhur Bhavashah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhavashah Om Bhur Bhavashah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhavashah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhavashah Tasya Viturvarenyam. Let us start our day by offering prayer to that Supreme Ultimate. I request to all, please stand straight, join your hand and close your eyes and start prayer. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव जान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, हाँ विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम, हाँ विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, सुबह सवेरे लेकर करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. Down your hands, please. A place is very a way to show your love and respect for our nation. So I request Abhay of the student, please come forward to lead us with the pledge.
Stretch your right hand. Pledge start. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be teachers and all elders. Respect and treat others to my country and my people. And blessed devotion.
News, updating ourselves with the current happening. is good habit. It helps to stay updates and increase our knowledge. I would like to Karthik from class 8. Please come forward and align to is with current happen around us.
Good morning to all of you. I am Karthik Mavi from class 8th. I am delivering news headlines. पटना में मेट्रो टनल में हादसा, 3 मजदूरों पर चढ़ा लोगो पिकअप, 1 की मौत। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की जयंती के मौके पर आज रन फॉर यूनिटी का होगा आयोजन। झारखंड विधानसभा चुनाव के दूसरे चरण के लिए आज नामांकन करने की आखिरी तारीख। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।
For thought of the day. It is always great to start the morning with great thoughts. Thought inspire and motivate our mind. I would like to invite Dhruv share with us thought of the day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Dhruv from class 8. I am delivering a thought. The festival of love, light and sweet. Let's celebrate it together this Diwali. Let's light up to not just your home and Rangoli and more things to your life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Dhruv. Now I would like to call Shoaib to deliver a poem.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shoaib Khan from class 8. Today I am presenting here a beautiful poem on Diwali. दीपावली का त्योहार आया, साथ में खुशियों का बहार लाया। दीपकों की सजी है कतार, जगमगा रहा है पूरा संसार। अंधकार पर प्रकाश की विजय लाया, दीपावली का त्योहार आया। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।
Now I would like to Rohan, please come on the stage. सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम रोहन खारी है, मैं कक्षा 8 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने दीपावली के ऊपर अपने कुछ शब्द व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। दीपावली हिंदुओं का प्रमुख त्योहार है। इसे रोशनी का त्योहार भी कहा जाता है। दीपावली भगवान श्री राम के अयोध्या लौटने की खुशी में मनाया जाता है। इसे कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या के दिन मनाया जाता है। लोग अपने घरों में दिया और लाइटों से सजाते हैं। इस दिन लक्ष्मी माता और गणेश जी की पूजा की जाती है। लोग एक दूसरे को त्योहार व उपहार देते हैं। बच्चे नए नए कपड़े पहनते हैं और पटाखे चलाते हैं। यह त्योहार अंधकार पर प्रकाश और बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत का प्रतीक है। धन्यवाद। टू प्रियांशु टू डिलीवर अ स्पीच।
Good morning to everyone. My name is Priyanshu from class 8. Today I am deliver a speech on Diwali. Diwali is often called the festival of light. It is the one of biggest and grandest festival of India. This festival has spiritual importance which represent the good over evil and light over darkness. This festival usually lasts 4 days and is celebrated in India during the month of Kartika. In India, Diwali is also known as Deepavali. On this day, Sri Ram returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile with Sita. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Priyanshu. I would like to invite our respected director, sir, to come up to the stage and say few words.
So today's theme is Deepavali, and we all are eagerly waiting for the Deepavali, and I'm aware that students must have started enjoying the sweets and bursting the crackers. So even the school is ready for the Deepavali celebration, and the vibe you can feel from last few days that there has been little bit of studies and lot of celebration, and why it should not be. Because Diwali is something which is celebrated at such a large scale, and now in today's time, even at the world level, people are getting aware about the Deepavali, the festival of lights. It's a festival of lights. It becomes more important when we talk about that it is removing the darkness, and we always believe that light should be there at every phase, at every corner, and it should remove the darkness. Okay, one of the student is not feeling well. You can sit down or you can go over there. मैं क्या ही बताना है, सभी को पता है अच्छे से कि बहुत सारा मिठाई खाना है, रिश्तेदारों से मिलना है. You're gonna burst the lot of crackers. Yes, but I will request from you that I am not saying that don't burst the crackers, but what I am gonna request that please be safe and be vigilant when you are bursting the crackers. Try to read the instructions properly. If you are not gonna read the instructions how to burst this particular cracker, it's gonna affect you also. Last time a student from LKG class, there was a lot of burn on his hand, and at times we do neglect the rules and regulations. So it's my request, if you are burning the little bit of crackers, do it with a caution, and it should not affect you. On the other hand, a very well conducted assembly by class 8th and lot of effort by Prashant sir. So many congratulations, clap for the class 8th and the faculty members. This time 8th class has put in a lot of efforts, and all credit goes to their faculty member also. The way the students are prepared, the teachers have taken it very seriously that assembly is an integral part of our school. And this is the card which has been drawn by class 8th student. Especially why I am mentioning it so, because it has been done by the boys. Yes, is it been drawn by you, or you have taken the help of the from the girls? But still, vision, they have taken the help. The help is okay. There is no problem. But very well drawn card, and also the information is being written here. The assembly is being conducted by Chirag Khari, Pratna Sabha Sanchalak, Pratigriya by Abhay Nagar, Samachar by Kartik Mavi, Suvichar by Dhruv Srohi, and the Angrezi Bhashan by Priyanshu Sharma, Bhashan Hindi, Rohan Khari, and Kavita by Shoaib Khan. So big round of applause for all these students. So from now on, we will have a long holiday, and I have a request that enjoy your holidays in a very good manner, in a very projected time with your family members, and don't harm yourself. Be safe and help others. Be nice to yourself and be nice to others. And also try to learn little bit of things. Try to understand that why do we celebrate these important festivals. अगर आपको पता हो, एक रस्किन बॉन्ड हर इंग्लिश की बुक में उनका एक स्टोरी भी आती है, और पिछली बार हमने 6th, 7th और 8th क्लास में सभी बच्चों को नॉवेल्स दिए गए थे. बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कहानियां लिखते हैं. तो रस्किन बॉन्ड हैज बीन लिविंग इन इंडिया, इन मसूरी फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड वन ऑफ द रिपोर्टर आस्क्ड हिम कि आप इंडिया में ही क्यों रहते हैं, आप विदेश में क्यों नहीं रहते, आपका जन्म तो विदेश में हुआ. तो उनका एक ही आंसर था कि इंडिया में आप कभी बोर नहीं हो सकते. देयर इज सो मच in India, so much of festivals, so much of diversity, so much of new things are happening over and over again. So as you can also see that we are celebrating different kinds of festivals, we are enjoying the sweets, and we are enjoying the holidays also because of the festivals only. And this is the beauty of our culture, this is the beauty of India, this is the beauty of the festivals, that we get a lot of time with our family members, we get to learn about the culture, and this is the beauty also that other nations, other world is also getting inspired. They are also celebrating the festival of lights, they are celebrating the holies, they are celebrating the different dandiya also. इतना इंडिया में अच्छा डांडिया नहीं बन रहा होगा जितना यूएस में बन रहा होगा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बन रहा होगा.